All right, let's create a pretty simple calculated property just so you can get the gist. I'm going to make a deal property. Let's say that you sell software, and when somebody buys the software package, there's a $1,000 fee for onboarding, let's say. And let's say that you're going to install this at several different locations, so they need several different licenses. Let's just say they have 10 different locations. So I would want to take a calculation, and I know that it's let's just say $500 per location. This place has 10 locations, and then there's that $1,000 overall fee. So I'm going to create a deal property just like you normally would. I'm going to call this, let's just call it SaaS value, and this is deal information, and this would be the SaaS value for this deal. Okay, the field type though is where it gets a little bit different, so you're going to do a calculation instead. And we're going to use a custom equation. We want a number, but you can have different things. But we're just going to use a number, and you can do it however you want. I'm going to choose currency, and I'm going to use the currency that's used here. All right, so this is what's in here to start with, just 1 + 1. We're going to change that, and we are going to do the property number of locations. Go find that. Okay, and then we are going to do that times 500 for each of those locations, and then that $1,000 onboarding that we talked about. This is all just hypothetical. I'm picking numbers out of the air. But then you can go down here and you can test the formula. So let's say our number of locations was 10. Then we would want 10 times 500 is 5,000 plus 1,000 is 6. Let's see if it works. So you test the formula, and indeed it does. So if that would work for you, then you go ahead and you hit create, and there you have your new custom property. That's a calculation.